Hey everybody, I'm Skeet Reese. I'm going to give you a general tire tip. If you need to replace your treble hooks or any hook, the quickest way to get a hook off, get some cam action side cutters. Done. You don't have to worry about the split ring. I'm not cutting the split ring off. I'm just cutting the hook. Done. Throw my hooks away. All right, so I want to show you how to put a hook on super quick. All right, so I'm going to replace these with some new Trocar treble hooks. I use fine tip needle nose pliers. I grab the split ring, get it lined up straight, line up my hook to where I feel it goes in straight, and all I'm doing is I'm pressing the hook into the gap of the split ring. That's it, one hook. So line that up. I don't use split ring pliers. I feel like they take twice as long. Line up my hook. All I'm doing is I'm pressing the flat part of the eye of the hook in between the two wires right at the gap. Done. So two new Trocars, simple like that. Side cutters, cut your hooks off. It's way faster than using split ring pliers. So that's my general tire tip. It's going to help you be more efficient on the water and help you catch more fish.